Salam and Namaste to everyone watching this video. Welcome back to our channel, The Diverged Angle. So guys, as told by me in the previous videos that in the next coming video we'll give you a special event of watercolor. So in this video, I'm going to teach you watercolors. Okay? Not teach, but I'll show you how to do watercolor. In the upcoming videos, I'll teach you how to use the watercolor technique and how you can use this. So in this video, we are taking a break from the teaching. Okay? Everyone needs a break from teaching. Okay? So in this video, we are going to teach you, sorry, not teach you, we are going to show you watercolor techniques. Okay, so in the upcoming videos we will also show you, we'll again begin the our series, the perspective. So let's begin, but first remember one thing: in the end of the video there is one information, so don't skip the video a little bit also. See the video till the end, and you'll get one notice at the end of the video. Okay, so the important things which you need for this session is brushes, different numbers of brushes, okay, a container in which you will keep water to paint, okay, a cloth to clean your brushes, and this is one of my favorite, watercolor cakes. Guys, you have to use watercolor cakes at the starting of watercolors, because watercolor cakes gives you a free hand to mix any color and use your imagination. Okay, so use watercolor cakes only. And the important things which everyone needs is a drawing copy. So guys, let's begin our session. Hello guys, so beginning our session. First let me below the camera angle a little. Okay, yes, we got it. Now I'm sitting here. Now I have these brushes with me. Okay, so this is the 12th number brush. Okay, so after that we have 9 number brush. Okay, leave it. 12 number, 9 number, then we have 8 number, and after that we have 5 number, and then a 3 number pony brush and a 1 number pony brush for the detailings. Okay, so and after that we are going to open this artist watercolor cakes, so you can see here. Okay, let's see. Okay, and this is the artist watercolor cakes. Okay, so we are having this here, and as you can see, open this and you get a brush here which is 0 number brush and used also for detailing. This is the 24 color set. These are the palettes given in this, and you can also mix the color here. Okay, so here I have a cloth for wiping our brushes, and here is a container in which I am going to bring some water. Okay, so guys, lowering the camera angle just a minute. So guys, here I have lowered the camera angle a little more, and here I have some water in this. Okay, so now I have a pencil and this book and this flower vase I am going to make now with these colors. Okay, this flower vase, see it carefully. Okay, so now I am going to see this and make it in this notebook. Let me keep these aside. And now I am opening this notebook. So guys, here I have, okay, so I think I can draw like this or like this. Okay, drawing it like this only. I have this one here. Okay, so drawing it like this. Let me start drawing it, keeping this hair. First I have this one, this big flower hair. So guys, here we are done with our drawing. Now we'll start with the painting. Okay, keeping this aside, we'll bring the paint box near this and the paint brushes here. Open the cap of these. Okay, such a large gap. Oh, a sellotape is given here. in this one, this one, this, and at last we have this one, but we'll open this at the end. Okay, now keeping all these brushes in this water container, and keeping the cloth here to just wipe the brushes. Okay, hope you guys can see this. So now I'll keep the pencil aside. First we'll take the 9 number brush and wet the paper. Okay, I'm wetting the paper a little bit so that I can get easy to paint these flowers. So guys, I'm sorry for this page's quality is a little bit means what to say, very thin quality. So if the painting gets damaged, don't get disappointed. Okay, as you hold the pencil away from the tip, don't hold these brushes away from the tip when you are a beginner in watercolor. Okay, you have to hold these brushes here only, but as I have done many, so I am holding here. Okay, but you who are the beginners, you will hold here in this part. Okay, I'm holding it here. Now dipping it in the water, taking some yellow color. I have to do it this much only because as you can see the quality of the paper is not so good. So in the upcoming videos I'll teach you how to do these watercoloring techniques and how to use these techniques. Okay, so goodbye till then. Hope you guys truly enjoyed the session. If you guys truly enjoyed the session, then do like the video and share it to your friends, those who want to learn drawings from the basics, and do subscribe the channel if not subscribed yet. Okay, so as told by me in the previous section of this video that I'll give you one information. So the basic information is this, that first you have to practice this watercolor continuously. I'll teach you in the further videos how to use watercolor techniques and how you can use that. So the first information is that this video is coming this Monday, and next Monday no video will be uploaded from our side because we are a little busy on next Monday. So after that Monday we'll bring one more video, or we can also bring two videos covering up this Mondays, covering up next coming Mondays, that is 25th, no, just a minute guys, that is 28th, 30th of this month, that is the end of the month. So at that day no video will be uploaded from our side, and the next Monday, that is 7th of December, we will be uploading two videos covering this 30th miss, and do enjoy those videos. Okay, now if you guys truly enjoyed the session, then do like the do hit the like button, share it to your friends, those who want to learn drawing from the basics, and do subscribe the channel if not subscribed yet. Thank you and have a nice day.